Another day, another story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic that will help you create a balanced CV that stands out. We are going to explore a technique taught in IIM college that divides your CV into 4 parts: academics, work experience, position of work responsibility, and extracurricular activities, and assigns an equal weightage to each part. This will help you create a balanced CV that showcases your strengths in all areas. So, let's get started. Section 1. Academics. The first part of your CV is academics, and this includes all your academic achievements. You should include your marks, scholarships, Olympiads, competitions, entrance tests, online courses, research papers, and live projects. Be sure to highlight any significant achievements that set you apart from the rest. Section 2. Position of responsibility. The second part of your CV is position of responsibility or PORs, which includes all the leadership positions you've held. This can be in a society or club, as an ambassador, an NGO volunteer, event organizer, Sabha member, head boy, girl, fest coordinator, or anchor. Mention any significant achievements or responsibilities that you've had in these roles. Section 3. Work experience. The third part of your CV is work experience, which includes any full-time or part-time jobs, internships, freelancing, tutoring, social work, entrepreneurship, content creation, or trainee positions. Be sure to highlight any significant achievements, contributions, or responsibilities that you had in these roles. Section 4. Extracurricular activities, ECAs. The fourth and final part of your CV is extracurricular activities or ECAs, which includes any hobbies, interests, or activities that you do outside of academics and work. This can include dance, music, debating, quizzing, case contests, CSR activities, workshops, sports, or any other activities that you enjoy doing. Be sure to highlight any significant achievements or roles that you've had in these activities. This will help you create a CV that stands out and impresses your potential employers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.